Hi, I'm Eric Dunn, Principal Consultant here at Wrike. Today I'm going to talk about a very common dilemma that I encounter during my consulting projects with our customers. Should I establish processes within my company in order to gain in stability and better coordination of the teams? Or should I focus more on business agility and adaptability? Here's how this dilemma actually looks like. Companies who want to become more agile sometimes think that that means throwing away all of the processes. So they stay away from agile methods in fear that they will become the Wild West. On the other hand, companies that consider themselves agile stay away from processes thinking that they will steal their agility. This prevents them to actually implement potentially very helpful processes. Is this really a choice? Process-driven versus agile? No, this is a false dichotomy. Let's talk about it and see if you agree. When talking with people, I often confirm there's a broad misinterpretation of what the word process really means. At best, it's equated with a useless document that is supposed to describe how something is meant to be done in theory, but that nobody really follows. And in the worst case, it's equated to bureaucracy and red tape and a barrier to creativity and innovation. The truth is, a process is simply a sequence of steps to obtain an outcome. Whether you like it or not, a process is always there. There is no choice on wanting to have processes or not. The real choice is, do you want to be conscious about the way you work? If your answer is no, because we make things differently each time, then you're really just improvising, making each decision as if it were the first time when you're faced with a recurring situation. This is proven to deplete your willpower and creativity, because every time you make a decision, your brain consumes glucose and your creative problem-solving abilities drop. Again, if your answer is no, because I always do it the same way each time and I know how to do it, then you're missing on the opportunity to step back, look at your process objectively, and find opportunities to improve it through simplification. Here's the thing, agility flourishes on a foundation of stability and order. Think about your local fire department. They never face the same problem twice. Therefore, agility and adaptability are paramount. Nonetheless, their routines and standards are very well established. Everybody knows exactly who is supposed to do what, by when, and how. To conclude, there is no conflict between having processes and being agile. In fact, you can be way more agile with the right focus on processes because it allows for improvement and streamlining. The key to remember is this. A standard process should not be written on stone as this is the way we do things around here. It should be better understood as the best way we currently know for doing something until we find a better way. Agility is about adapting and changing for the better, but there cannot be a real improvement without a baseline as a reference. It's like shooting golf balls in the dark. Defined processes and the proper mindset are the springboard for agility. What can you put in practice today? Before you try to improve anything, become stable. Describe your processes as the current way you do things, even if it's not perfect. Then improve those processes by targeting waste elimination. Another recommendation, follow a Wikipedia approach to your process management instead of an Encyclopedia Britannica approach. This means when you define your processes, make it easy and simple for anybody to suggest improvements and corrections. Define a process owner. While you can certainly encourage anybody to make suggestions for improvement on a process, make sure there's a single person that is accountable for that process and that can manage the change done to it. If you need a software tool, get one that is good for executing your processes, not just for describing them, and make sure that it's flexible and easy to update. Once you have some basic processes in place that will prevent you from reinventing the wheel every time, then you can go ahead and implement some agile methodologies. This is how agile and processes live together. Do you agree? Leave us your comments below this video. If you want to learn more about this or other related subjects, visit us at wrike.com/blog. See you next time.